One creation vlog where every mile has a story.
Yeah, man. So we are currently in Edmundston, New Brunswick. There's a lot of snow. As you can see, my truck is all covered in snow. You see me? Snow everywhere. Reports of black ice on the road. You see me? So we just gotta do the right thing and take on the road cautiously. You see me? Yeah, man. That is it. Hey, what's up?
Good, where you going?
Ontario.
There you?
Yeah, you going Ontario?
No problem, go home. Going home.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah, man.
Huh?
Happy New Year.
Same to you. Respect.
Right to you, man.
Alright, yeah. Yeah, man. So, last trip for the new year. And we are look out. We are look for do it safely. You see me? No joke. Thanks for tuning in. One creation vlog, and thanks for making it what it is. You see me? Yeah, man.
Pure ice. Jamaican. This is the road all the way to Ontario, so another 700, 900 kilometers before I get to my destination. So another possible another 900 kilometers of this. See me? Yeah, so this is winter driving. See me? This is the normal reality of driving in winter.
Rolling out of Edmundston, New Brunswick, snow came down heavy. One of those mornings where the road decides the pace. Heading westbound toward Quebec, winter's got a firm grip out here, so it's smooth inputs, steady throttle, and no rush. This load's heading to the GTA. York, Ontario to be exact. A long stretch ahead, but that's long haul, mile by mile, province by province. Visibility's tight, traction matters, and focus stays locked in. Just the sound of tires on snow and a schedule waiting at the other end.
But we're currently in Quebec now, making our way to Ontario. You see me? Still got another 350 kilometers before I break into Ontario. You see me? But it has been a ice day. See me? And the ice
on the road is slushy. You see me? But nevertheless, we apply ourselves and we do the right thing. So may I say? Yeah man, it's minus 15 degrees Celsius. Yeah, so you know it's way cold. Yeah man. Well, we're gonna keep rolling. We have another 10 hours in the day. I should reach my location by 9 hours. So we're gonna keep going. Safely of course. So, right? Yeah. I had to stop and do a minor adjustment in my windscreen wiper. Currently the hose to my wiper, it was burst, so I had to cut it and reconnect it instantly.
Currently, I'm on Auto Route 30. I'm approximately 20 kilometers away from Ontario. You see me? And as you can see, the road conditions are way better than the conditions in New Brunswick. You see me? Yeah man, like this morning was crazy. Slushy snow. You see me? White blowing all over. You see me? Yeah man. It's actually minus 8 degrees Celsius. You see me? As it were, it's actually minus 11 degrees Celsius. You see me? So it's still cold, but the road conditions are way better. As you can see, the road is dry compared to this morning. You see me? Not the best of driving conditions, but we had to did what we had to do to get here. You see me? So I'm still like 5.5 hours away from my location. I got 6.5 hours on my clock, so I'm just gonna exhaust this 6 hours, get to my location, relax for the night. Hopefully I get up early and load in the morning, pick up my load and head back east. So may I say, yeah man, hopefully I can get that done before midday tomorrow, so I can start my journey east. And hopefully the road conditions are better than this morning. So when we get to that point, I'll see how it goes.
snow build up. Yeah, man. So, believe it or not, all of that snow add to the weight of the truck, and that can even make you overweight. Yeah, that can even make you overweight if it is that you report to a scale. You see me?
Top of the morning. Yeah, man. I'm on Highway 401. It's around 0630 hours, and I'm just 25 kilometers away from my job in York. That's just around the corner from Toronto. So it's still in the GTA. You see me? And the road conditions are way better than back in New Brunswick, at least when I started off my trip. You see me? Yeah, man. So as you can see, the road is dry and not covered in snow. So that's good. As you know, I'm on the Highway 401, which you know Highway 401 is arguably the busiest highway in North America. You see me? So proper treatment and plowing has to be done. So the road has to be kept at a certain standard, unlike other minor highways. So I'm saying, yeah, man. And as I said in previous videos, this highway never sleep. Always looking like this or more. Like this is the bare minimum. So I'm saying,
In 400 meters, turn right, then take the first left. Turn right, then take the first left. Turn left, then take the first left.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it useful or enjoyable, please take a moment to like and subscribe for more trucking, travel, and behind-the-scenes road content. If you're already subscribed, I truly appreciate your continued support. New videos every week. Respect, and I'll see you on the next run.